6 tips for saving money on HVAC repair. Use window shades and coverings. Losing cool air in the summer or warm air in the winter will increase the work of an HVAC system. Seal the cooling ducts. Sealing the ductwork will improve effectiveness and streamline airflow by up to 20%. Have a service and maintenance schedule. Heaters and air conditioners need to be maintained to spot any flaws and rectify them before disaster strikes. Change filters more often. Avoid problems by cleaning the filters when possible and replacing old ones when needed. Seal all leaks. Cracks and small spaces at the edges of windows and doors can result in loss of heated or cooled air. Purchase a modern HVAC. Buying a new system may cost more up front, but you can save money by avoiding unnecessary repairs. For more information on HVAC repair, call Pioneer Plumbing. Our office number, 604-872-4946.